Welcome back, guys. In today's video, I want you to be aware of your self-talk during each pose. Fall in love with your body. Try these poses. So the objective for today is to reflect on your thoughts while you're busy moving your body. Let's start. We're going to start off on our back on the mat. Bring your knees into the chest, wrap your arms around the knees and squeeze it in. During this session, no judgment, no analyzing, just feeling your body and the breath. If thoughts come to rise to disturb you, just ignore them and bring your awareness back to what you are doing. Now get hold of each knee and we're just going to rock side to side, massaging the back. You can go all the way onto the side and push yourself back up with the elbow, using your core as well. Feeling the massage in the back of the head, the shoulders, shoulder blades, the sides of the body, the buttocks. If you feel anything tight or sore, don't judge it. Just give it space to be. Don't resist it. Just see it and let it be. And when you had enough, come back to the center and bring your soles of your feet to the sky. Get hold of the outside of the feet, but the arm goes in the inside of the leg. Hands are on the outside. And then pull your knees close to the floor. We're stretching into the hips. This is baby pose. When you're in baby pose, if you want to, you can even roll side to side as well. It's up to you. If you don't want to, just stay in the center. No judgment, just feeling, no commenting. And exhale, let go of the feet and bring it back to the floor and straighten out. We're going to stretch more into the hips, bend both knees, place the feet down on the floor, and we take the left ankle, place it on top of the right knee, and then we're going to take the left arm in between the legs and we get hold of the right knee. You can get hold of behind the knee or in front of the knee. If you can't reach, just take a strap around and grab the strap and pull the knee to the chest. Head is down on the floor. Feel the stretch in the left hip. We tend to store a lot of stress into the hips, a lot of tightness. Just feel it and let it be. Don't say things like, it shouldn't be, it should be like this, it should be like that. Forget about it. Just be here, honor your body. And exhale, slowly let go. Place the right foot on the floor and then bring your arms out shoulder height with the palms facing down. And we take the legs to the right, just drop it to the right. And then we look to the left with the head. So the knee's not up like this, you tuck the foot in and the knee comes down to the floor. Make sure your shoulders and shoulder blades stays on the floor. If this is too intense for your back, you could always just have the legs together on top of each other. Otherwise, we hold it here. And inhale, look up, and then bring the legs back. Release your left leg, release your arms. Well done. And we go to the other side, so right ankle on top. Get hold of the left knee. Try to do the same as you did on the other side. And pull your knee to the chest and we hold it. And exhale, release your arms, left foot on the floor, arms come shoulder height, and we drop the legs to the left and we look to the right. Try to keep your shoulders and shoulder blades flat on the floor. And inhale, bring the head up, bring the legs back up. Release your right leg, release the arms, and straighten out the legs. And we're going to roll over onto the tummy. And we're going to go straight into crocodile. So bring your elbows under the chin and place the chin in the palms of the hands. Relax the buttocks, relax the legs. Or if you have a long neck, you can make knuckles. Place the chin on the knuckles, but make sure your shoulders are down, all the way down. Feel free to close your eyes. Feel the body, focus on your breath. Inhale, and as you exhale, lower the arms and we slide into Urdhvasana, forward on the floor. Crocodile is great for neck. And from here we're going to go into superior pose, so keep your forehead on the floor, interlock the fingers, place it on the lower part of the head, forehead on the floor, elbows are down. And relax here. Feel the pressure on the forehead. You can place all your awareness, all your focus on the eyebrow center. Relax the arms, relax the legs. Inhale, release your arms and bring your hands next to the rib cage. Bring the legs together. What we're going to do is we're going to go from here into child's pose. So press into the hands, engage your core, press into the knees. Come up, keep going. Bring the buttocks all the way down to the heels. Bring your arms next to the body and bring your head down to the floor. And we're in child's pose. While you're in child's pose, get hold of your heels with the hands. Place the top part of the head on the floor. We're going to stretch into the back And as you inhale, come forward with the buttocks as much as you can, round the back and hold it. Exhale, come back into child's pose, relax the arms. And bring your arms to the front, and we're gonna strike through all the way onto the tummy. So just strike through the arms, lower yourself onto the tummy, and then we roll over onto the back. Once you're on the back, bring your knees into the chest again. Wrap your arms around. Give yourself a little hug. Thank the body. Love the body. And exhale. Straighten out. Tip of the day. We are criticizing our bodies all the time without realizing it. I caught myself the other day walking past the mirror, just catch the mirror in the corner of my eye, and here far back, it's so subtle, back in my mind, there were things like, your legs are too short, that's too wobbly, that's all sorts of nonsense. And I realize how much, without me realizing it, how much I'm breaking down this machine that is giving me so much. So my tip for the day is to consciously thank your body. Whenever you want to, maybe you in the traffic driving, maybe in your morning routine, but make it part of your daily thing. Thank the body, love the body, say great things to the body. Thank you, body. I love you, body. Whatever words you want to use, just make them positive. I hope you fall in love with your body and thank it for everything it does for us, giving us this amazing experience called life. If you enjoyed this session, please don't forget to hit the like button. And if you are new here, my name is Al. I'm from yogagangeya.com. And if you want to see more of this kind of content, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Hari Om Tat Sat.